A standard pair of cymbals is usually 18 inches in size and has a quick response to vibrations. These are generally used when a cymbal part has a combination of loud and soft strokes and rhythmic passages. There are different types or sounds of cymbals. The first type of sound is French. These cymbals are thin and have lower overtones with a quick response and a fast decay. Next is the German type of sound. These are thicker and have a brilliant sound with a slower response and slower decay. Another type of sound is the Viennese. These are great all-purpose cymbals and fall in between the French and German sound, still having a quick response and fast decay. It is a good idea to have a smaller pair of cymbals on hand in order to have a better control for softer, more delicate passages. Understand that smaller cymbals create a thinner texture. To hold the cymbals, the index finger and the thumb curl around the strap nearest to the bell of the cymbal. The strap lays in the palm, and the other three fingers wrap around the strap, just like the match grip for snare drum. Now that we know how to hold the cymbals, let's learn how to put them together to produce a good sound. The top cymbal should hang down like a suspended cymbal, but at a slight angle. The bottom cymbal should face upward at a slight angle, resting on the knuckles of the hand. The two cymbals should set naturally at a slight angle to each other. The top cymbal is then dropped down onto the bottom cymbal. Both cymbals should be in motion for the best timbre. The impact causes the cymbals to pull apart from each other, then suspend the cymbals after the crash and let them resonate. To avoid air pockets or when no sound occurs, remember to drop the cymbal straight down and not at a glance. For loud and fast cymbal strokes, use a general crash stroke, but reduce the angle to 45 degrees. The cymbals should be kept close together to be ready for the next crash. For soft cymbal strokes, hold the cymbals at about 5-degree angle to the left of straight up and down. Separate the cymbals with the edge of the bottom cymbal above the edge of the top cymbal. Drop the top cymbal by pushing downward with the thumb and the forefinger, then pull apart after impact. To dampen the cymbals, bring them into the abdomen. Some of us have been blessed with better dampening mechanisms than others. This might be a consideration when assigning parts. A forte piano effect can be accomplished by dampening only one cymbal. The dampening rules for inconsistent note values on bass drum also apply to cymbals. Some parts indicate a need to dampen, although the tempo and note values may not allow for this. Suspended cymbals are usually smaller and thinner than crash cymbals. The standard size, which respond very quickly when struck with a mallet, is usually 16 to 18 inches in diameter. Smaller cymbals are better choice for soft, delicate passages, as well as fast crescendos and diminuendos. Larger cymbals are used for more of a sustained sound. We can suspend a cymbal one of two ways. Either hang it by its strap from a boom stand, which allows the cymbal to vibrate freely, or the cymbal can be placed on a regular cymbal stand for maximum control. The best mallets for suspended cymbal are soft wound yarn or cord mallets, which allow the cymbal to respond quickly and bring out all the overtones. When a composition calls for timpani mallets, always substitute these instead. Other implements for the suspended cymbal include snare drum sticks, triangle beaters, and brushes. Strokes are always made on the edge of the cymbal unless otherwise specified in the score. When playing a single note, strike opposite edges of the cymbal simultaneously. That will cause the instrument to speak instantly and prevent the sound from blooming late. A roll can easily be controlled by placing the mallets on the edge at a 4 and 8 o'clock position. When rolling with mallets, use a single stroke roll. Remember, the definition of a roll is a smooth, sustained sound. The roll speed will vary according to the cymbal size and thickness. A slower roll speed may be used for a roll that is long in duration. For rolls that crescendo for a short duration, a faster roll speed may be required. When rolling with snare drum sticks, utilize a buzz roll on the edge of the cymbal. Some additional effects call for different areas of the cymbal to be struck, scraped, or rubbed by triangle beaters, coins, and a bass.